Hello everyone, this is Mandeep Burmi from Ace Driving School. So in this video I'm going to help you guys with your driving exam. This video is all about how to pass your driving exam. So we're gonna drive around couple minutes, go over some of the most common critical mistakes and general mistakes that cause people to fail their driving exam. So let's get started. So my mirrors, everything is already good now. My seat belt is on, mirrors are good, this mirror is good, car is on, so we are good to go. So I'm just gonna shift into reverse, and now the back end of my car is going to the left, so I got my left blinker on, checking on both sides. It's very important that you check on both sides, like you physically look over your shoulder. If you're only looking in your mirrors are not going to show you everything, so you have to move your head and do the 360 check. So we are going left here, so this left turn is complete, and now we are going right, so slowing down, checking traffic coming from the left side. Now we see a stop sign, so I'm going to do a full stop here. We are turning right on the stop sign, and the stop sign is it's only for us because it doesn't say 4-way or 3-way. Okay. So it was now we are turning right next. So I got my right blinker on, staying closer to the right side, checking pedestrians on the crosswalk. Now I'm checking traffic coming from the left side, looks clear, and we are good to go. Now I see a warning sign for railway tracks, and I want to go straight from the traffic lights, so that means I need to change lanes. So I got my left blinker on, mirror check, shoulder check, and then I move over to the left side. Now I see railway tracks, so I'm slowing down a little bit, checking on both sides on the railway tracks. We got a green light, not anymore. Now the light is amber, so I'm looking for a stop line, and I'm going to stop before the stop line. If you go over the stop line, that's going to be a general mistake. And if you on the railway tracks, if you don't move your head, like if you're not looking left and right, that will be a general mistake as well. It could be a critical error, just depends on the situation. For example, like let's say maybe the lights were flashing and train is coming and you're just not looking, you're not slowing down or stopping, right? Then it becomes critical error. So when you're waiting for the green light, you still want to have both hands on the steering wheel. You can do 10 and 2 o'clock hand position, or you can do 9 and 3 o'clock. That's totally up to you. Okay. So when the light turns green, we will go straight from this intersection. So by the way guys, it's December 25th today, so Merry Christmas everyone, and Happy New Year as well. I hope you guys are having a good time with your family members, friends. I got a driving lesson in 20 minutes in this area here, so I thought maybe I should just do a quick video before my driving lesson. I always like to help everyone. I really want to help you guys as well, really want to help you pass your driving exam. So if you guys have any questions, you can let me know. You can put your questions in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer your questions. This morning actually one of my subscriber, she sent me a message, and I did a video, 5 or 7 minute long video to answer that question actually. So she was struggling with a lane change. So yeah, so let me know if you guys if you guys have any questions. I will be more than happy to answer your questions. And if you're in Winnipeg, you can give me a call or send me a text message for driving lessons. So now the light is green, so we're gonna start moving from here. Now I see a speed limit sign coming up. It's maximum 60 kilometers. If you go over the speed limit, that's a automatic fail. If you're driving too slow without any reason, that's also automatic fail. Because too slow means you're gonna create interference with the other traffic. So too slow is like in 60 zone, you're only doing maybe about 30 kilometers, and the road condition is good, weather is clear. Now the speed limit is 70 kilometers. We're gonna be turning right turn, so I'm going to signal right. Right shoulder check here is optional because I'm going in the straight right way. Now I can slow down a little bit, and I'm staying closer to the right side. I'm looking for pedestrians. I see a yield sign, so I'm checking traffic coming from the left. Nobody coming. I'm staying in my first available lane. On the next intersection we are turning left, so I need to change lane, so I signal left, mirror check, shoulder check, looks clear, and then I move over to the left side. Now we see a stop sign coming up, and we are turning left, so I'm going to signal left. Your signal should be on about 30 meters before the intersection you want to turn on, so complete stop here. And now this stop sign is only for us, so the cross traffic does not stop. So I'm checking on both sides. I'm checking for pedestrians, checking for other cars. It's Christmas, so I guess nobody's here. All right, so that's why we don't see too much traffic on the road on weekdays. We see regular business hour, we see a lot of traffic here. So now we see pedestrian crosswalk, so I'm checking on both sides, no pedestrian there. And speed limit sign, I did not see any speed limit sign here, so that means it's 50 kilometers maximum. So in Manitoba, if you don't see any speed limit sign, that means maximum speed is 50 kilometers. Now we see another four-way stop sign coming up, so I'm slowing down because the road, this intersection could be icy, so slowing down a little bit earlier. It's a four-way stop sign. I don't see any stop lines. I'm just stopped where the stop sign is because I don't even see any sidewalk. So nobody around me. There's no pedestrian. There's no cars. So I'm good to go. So we're just gonna go in the parking lot on the right-hand side. It's very important to understand how you drive in the parking lot as well. So I'm going to signal right here. When you're going in the parking lot, you still want to stay on the right hand side because we did not see any sign indicating it's a one-way. So now let's park somewhere. So let's park on the right hand side. So I got my right blinker on, and we don't see any yellow lines here. There's a lot of snow on the ground, so I'm just gonna park over here. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Again, Merry Christmas everyone. Happy New Year. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Put your questions in the comments below. I will do my best to answer your questions. Again, this is Mandeep Burmi from Ace Driving School, and this video we were just looking at some of the general mistakes and critical mistakes. I really want to help you guys pass your driving exam. Thank you very much, and I will see you guys next time.